I'm starting to feel pretty good about myself. I've just taken control of 2 of the school's worst cliques, but I know there are bigger problems just around the corner. Problems with overdeveloped pituitary glands and brains the size of peas. The thing is, Pete, now that I'm cool, I'm not sure we can be friends anymore.
What?
I'm messing with ya.
Real funny, Jimmy. Well, when you're done with this place, a career on the stage awaits. Maybe like a male stripper or something, huh?
What?
So, what about Gary?
I haven't seen him, but whenever I hear somebody say I used to be a girl and had a sex change, or that my mother slept with Crabblesnitch to get me in here, I think to myself, Gary!
What a jerk! You don't even call me a dork.
Well, I guess he's not always wrong.
Is that what you really think? Whatever, Jimmy. You know, I stand up for you and you still think I'm a dork. You're a jerk.
And you're a dork, so we're equal.
Whatever. I'm leaving. Ow!
Oh. Now maybe next time you'll watch where you're going.
What'd you do that for?
Oh, I'm sorry, Psycho. Did I hit your boyfriend?
Yeah, Psycho, you gonna try to kick our asses now?
No, I think I'll do that more publicly.
Ooh, I'm really scared right now, really scared. I take down linebackers every day, pal.
Whatever, pretty boy. You'll get yours.
Yeah, we'll see about that.
Ouch.
Go have some fun in the communal showers. Ooh, I just dropped my soap. Please pick it up for me.
Damn.
Losers. Petey, get up.
Jimmy,
I think we found some new people to have some fun with.
Jimmy, forgive me, but I gotta go. You ever played Grottos and Gremlins?
You'll be sorry.
Hopkins, is it? Very good. Wait quietly. Very quiet. What's a girl gotta do to get something from her man?
Good news, class. Today we will be looking at some exciting new maps. Can you believe it? By Jove, you've done it, Hopkins!
Damn, I'm good! Hopkins comes through.
You'll regret this. I swear you won't blame me. What's going on? Oh, come on. I never meant it. We're equals. Let's talk it out. You figure this out? No, you can't do this to me. Please.
Sit down already. Man, if I had a camera now. LA's frequent. You're a dork. I'm gonna tell someone right now.
You wanna go? What are you gonna do about it?
Get away from me!
Bulwark Prefect,
I'm
halt
gonna lay
immediately!
your butt out like a newborn baby.
They're wrong.
I like you, but I don't wanna mess up my sculpture.
Just putting you in your place.
Whoa, that's dangerous.
This is a joke, right?
I'm gonna rip out your heart and feed it to you. I'm gonna bust your gut up and watch you bleed. Don't start none, there won't be none.
Will you quit it?
You're sweet like candy, you don't want it.
Please? This is so much more fun.
While it's true you may never use what's taught in my class, that doesn't give you the right to play hooky. Not bad. We'll see if that continues into trigonometry.
Oh, yeah! I think we can call that a wrap.
You're a disgrace to the Bulworth crest.
Gotta get to practice. See ya.
You lose this? This is sanitation.
I'm so
cool.
Whoa!
I've been buffing up, can't you tell?
LA frequency slipping.
I may be a loser, but at least I've got loser friends to hang out with.
Whatever.
We wouldn't let you into our gang, Pete, because you're weird.
Weird? Look at you, you've got a weak bladder.
Hey, Algie, I need some help. I've got a plan to take over those Jocks scum.
Hey, Jimmy.
Hey, so what do you say, Algie?
Us help you?
Yeah, think of everything I've done for you since I got here.
You? You're like a bouncer. We're a bit above helping people like you. I mean, get real, duh. Pea stain. Now you need my help. Forget it.
Damn!
Well, you know what you gotta do now, don't you?
What, beg?
No, get to Ernest. He runs that clique with the rod of iron. You get him on your side, and you got the rest of them eating out of the palm of your hand.
How? By joining the trigonometry club?
No, that would never work. You gotta show him who's boss.
You might be onto something. See you later.
Hey, wait, Jimmy! Can I come for once?
A fat kid can only take so much! Stop moving around!
Hey, losers. Mind telling me where your fearless leader is?
I'm afraid your diplomacy skill is too low. We won't tell you.
Fight! Someone get a free.
Please. My legacy. He's at the observatory, but don't tell him I told you.
Forget it, Hopkins. You're not getting in without the key code. Okay, it's 138. Why must you always ignore it?
You're in my domain now, Jimmy. Prepare to suffer. Are you still trying, Jimmy? You are bloody-minded, I have to give you that.
What have we here?
Your aggro management won't save you, Hopkins!
Ernest, what are you doing? Give it up, dork. You work for me now.
You're pathetic. You've defeated my weakest compadres. You've just met your match.
I want us to be friends. I need your help.
I've had friends like you. The kind who treat you like dog muck on their shoes. No thanks, bud.
Come on.
It's my brains against your brawn. Welcome to hell, Jimmy Hopkins! Can't we all just get along? No, we can't because you're a bastard. This is just a prototype. Soon we'll all have one. You like this? This is for you, Jimmy! I think it's funny now. One day I'll invent a better nuclear bomb. Then you'll be sorry. No one appreciates an intelligent person.
Maybe now he'll listen to me.
Here, just take it. You're just like everyone else, picking on the little man.
I'm not like everyone else. Honestly. Now listen, we both want the same thing, to teach those jocks a lesson. From now on, we're buddies.
You have a funny way of showing friendship.
We're friends. We work together.
Nothing else to do. You're such a doo-doo. I'm gonna make you time for Darwinism in action. Come on, man. Don't get up next time. You're going down. You're going down. I'm gonna make you hurt. Girls want. I'm gonna freak you right. Hey, buddy. What's going on?
I've got to work out later.
Working out 4 hours a day is worth it. I got beautiful muscles.
Hey! Just what I needed.
Hey! Only athletes are allowed in here.
Whatever. I'm better than any of you losers.
Oh yeah? How about we beat you in a game of dodgeball?
Girls strong men, even though
Pathetic
they all
loser?
know it.
I'm not a pathetic loser. Mom says I'm not.
We're gonna win because we're better. I'll try not to hurt you too.
You don't have a chance against Team Nerd. You forget that I'm Team Nerd for the win!
Bucky doesn't lose.
Let's try not to lose this time, guys!
Visiting out. You better be ready to lose.
The meaning of fear!
Okay, you won. I guess you can use the clubhouse.
Thanks, I'll be sure to visit you often. I should call the folks tonight.
You gonna do something about it? Out of my face! I heard you like art class, you fruit! Idiot! Time to back up your trash! Ooh!